Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to conceal the owner's identity when sharing files through Google Drive. This method is perfect for maintaining your privacy and preventing recipients from viewing your personal account information. To begin, launch your web browser and head to the Google Drive homepage. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you are there, find the specific file you intend to share and click it once to select it. You will notice several icons appear at the top of the interface. Locate the share icon, which looks like a person with a plus symbol, and click it. A settings window will appear where you can manage permissions. Currently, the access might be set to restricted. Click on the restricted text to change this setting to anyone with the link. This ensures the file is reachable, but we will further modify it to hide your details. Now, press the Copy Link button to save the URL to your clipboard. Open a fresh browser tab and paste that link into the address bar. Before you proceed, look closely at the end of the web address. You will see the word Edit near the end of the URL. Carefully delete Edit and type Copy in its place. This modification forces the recipient to create their own version of the file instead of accessing your original directly. After making this change, hit Enter. You will now see a page with a Make a Copy button. When others use this link, they will save the file to their own drive without seeing any of your ownership data. That is the complete process. By following these steps, you can now share Google Drive files while keeping your identity private. It is a great way to collaborate efficiently while protecting your personal data. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more useful guides and tutorials.